Technique: apply oil to back and press 风池 and 丰府 acupoints 3 times. Push dual meridian and bladder meridian with both hands alternately 3 times. Push dual meridian and bladder meridian with both hands 3 times. Alternately push from 大椎 with heels of 2 palms to the dual meridian and bladder meridian, and then lift from one side of the waist to the armpit. Perform the technique on left side first, and then on the right side 3 times. Push 大板筋 from the nape of neck with bending fingers 5 to 8 times. Push from the nape of neck to waist with bending fingers 3 to 5 times. Use one hand to push 大板筋 with thumb and index fingers playing. Use the other hand to soothe the area 5 to 8 times. Do 5 to 8 repetitions of the technique on the other side. One side. Alternately push the medial border of scapular from neck with thumbs and index fingers splaying 5 to 8 times, and then push from bladder meridian on chest along the medial border of scapular to neck with both hands 5 to 8 times, and finally push 大板筋 3 to 5 times and slide to hand. Do 3 repetitions of the technique on the other side. One side. Push from scapular to waist 5 to 8 times. Alternately massage back from waist to shoulder with both palms, press 肩颈 with fingers, and then slide a long arm to hand 3 times. Do 3 repetitions of the technique on the other side. Body detoxification with the finger-shaped cups. The finger-shaped cups can help accelerate blood circulation, expel harmful waste, strengthen vessels, and relieve the condition of varicose veins. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended, Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 2 is recommended. Push dual meridian and bladder meridian 3 to 5 times. Move the cup in spiral curve along dual meridian and bladder meridian 3 to 5 times. Move the cup along the medial border or scapular back and forth 3 to 5 times. Move the cup in spiral curve along the medial border or scapula 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Move the cup on 大板筋 back and forth 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Detox body and expel damp with the body vacuum cups. The body vacuum cups can expel damp and cold, unblock meridians and collaterals, and circulate qi and blood. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Mode 2 is recommended. Move the cup on dual meridian and bladder meridian back and forth 3 to 5 times. Move the cup along the medial border or scapular back and forth 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Move the cup on 大板筋 back and forth 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Mode 1 is recommended. Cup fixing treatment. Choose proper cups and fix them on 大椎, 八髎 points, 肩颈, and 天宗. Remove the cups and then wipe back clean with towel. Unblock meridians with EMS patches. EMS patches can help tighten skin, unblock meridians, and regulate metabolism. 15 minutes is recommended. 1 to 3 NS level is recommended. Wrap the binding strip around the fat area or back. Do not wrap it too tight, otherwise there's discomfort. Apply some gel evenly to the EMS patches. Fix the patches on the fat area or back. Press button to begin the treatment. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the patches and untie the strip. Wipe gel off back with towel. Please note, take a shower 4 hours after treatment. You may experience some skin reactions like redness after treatment, which are normal and will disappear in a week. Drink more hot water to help with detoxification and metabolism.